Do you want to force quit MS Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Before you force close the Word document, save it. Navigate to the upper left and select the File tab. Choose Save As from the menu. Decide on a location to store your document. Enter a file name in the provided field. Click Save to preserve your document. Continuously back up your work to prevent loss due to unforeseen events or system failures. Save your progress now to avoid losing your hard-earned efforts. Method 2. Locate and click the File tab at the top left. Select Close from the menu that appears. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl+W for swift closure. Word will prompt you to save any unsaved changes before exiting. After saving or confirming no unsaved changes, Word will close. Utilizing the interface to close Word helps prevent data loss, ensuring your work is safely stored for future use. Method 3. Launch Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+Escape or via the Start menu. Locate the Microsoft Word process. Select the process and choose End Task. This method allows you to swiftly regain control when Microsoft Word becomes unresponsive. Method 4. Close Word completely, ensuring all windows are shut. Reopen Word and access the Auto Recover feature, which periodically saves your work. To recover documents, go to File, then select Open. Next, select Resend and select Recover Unsaved Documents. Choose the document you need and click Open. Regularly save your work and enable autosave in Word's settings to protect against data loss from abrupt program exits or force quits. So, by following these steps, you can confidently manage your documents and mitigate the risk of losing unsaved work in Microsoft Word. And there you have it, the methods to force quit MS Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.